When it comes to your vehicle, seeing the road ahead is non-negotiable. At Drayton Valley Ford, we've got you covered with our expert windshield replacements. Our dedicated team ensures a seamless windshield replacement using high-quality factory or aftermarket glass tailored to fit all makes and models. We guarantee the best prices in town. No matter what you drive, our experts will get the job done right, providing crystal clear vision for your drive. And we're not just about replacements, we're about solutions with our real easy rock chip repairs. For just $19.99, you can get your first rock chip repair, and for each additional repair, it's only $9.99. Affordable clarity and peace of mind for the road ahead. And speaking of clarity, don't overlook the importance of well-functioning wiper blades. At Drayton Valley Ford, we offer wiper blades for all makes and models at just $19.99 each. Ensure optimal visibility during rain, snow, or slush, so you can confidently navigate any weather condition. Plus, keep your windshield clean and streak-free with our quality washer fluid. Count on Drayton Valley Ford, where real people are here to help ensure you can always see clearly. Visit us today and experience the difference.